Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by launching the Directx diagnostic tool because it reports the installed Directx version directly. This is the only reliable method. Press Windows key plus R, type dxdiag, and hit Enter now. If Windows asks about checking digital signatures, say yes so tests run. Once the tool opens, you'll land on System Information. Make sure to focus on the top few lines, because Directx version appears there, and that single line answers the question immediately. Once done, navigate to the System tab, scan toward the bottom of the white info panel where the Directx version is listed. You're looking for a line like Directx 12 or Directx 12 Ultimate. That distinction matters for features and compatibility. If you need a record, click Save All Information and save the TXT file. It includes the same version line and driver details. If the tool seems limited, rerun using Run as Administrator, so nothing is hidden, and make sure to read the Save tab. To finish, compare the Directx line to the software requirements and proceed accordingly. No other tool is more authoritative. If the version is missing, blank, or reports unexpected results, update your GPU drivers and run Windows Update. Directx components often arrive with those updates. Once updated, reboot, run dxdiag again, and save the report for troubleshooting. One quick tip: if problems persist, reinstall the latest Directx runtime from Microsoft via Windows Update components to restore missing files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.